Hey guys, welcome back. This is Chandler. Today we're going to take a look at the Beretta APX A1 Carry. The APX A1 Carry is perfect for concealed carry use. The APX A1 Carry is chambered in 9mm, comes in all the different colors, black, green, and FDE. Comes with a optics ready slide, ready for any optic you decide to put on it. It also has a 3-inch barrel, another great thing for concealed carry. A magazine right here with an 8 and a 6-round magazine. Then down here on the grip, you got this lovely texture right here. The APX A1 was created in 2016 by Beretta with the adaptation of the APX A1 Carry being released in 2022. The APX A1 is a well-made, reliable, budget-friendly pistol. Thanks for watching today. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content.